KG2 and welcome again. It's Ata'ataf with you and a new page from the Discover book. As you can see, today's page, we're going to start with page 45. The title for this page, Going Shopping. So we're going to go shopping. Let's read. Circle the item with the lower price. Lower, exactly like smaller. So we're going to circle, this is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to circle the item with the lower price. After this, we're going to see how much less is it. How much less is it? So let's see what we're going to do. We have here two items. A blue t-shirt for £10. T-shirt. And a striped t-shirt for £7. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna circle the one with the lower price. Which one here has lower price? Less, smaller. Exactly, the striped one, because it's for 7 and 7 is less than 10. 7 is smaller than 10. Let's see the next one. We have a purple kite and a red kite. Purple kite for £3, red kite for £2. Which one has a lower price? Of course, the red one. 2 is lower or less than 3. The next one, we have a large watermelon and a small watermelon. The large one, £3, the small one, £1. The one with lower price, exactly, the small one for £1. This is the first part. Second part, we're gonna see how much less is it. How much less is the one with the lower price than the other one. You can do this with the math we studied before. Can do it with subtraction. I want to know what's the difference between the 10 and the 7. How much money I need to put on the 7 to become 10. So it's very easy to do it with subtraction. If I say 10 minus 7, now do it and tell me what's the answer. 10 minus 7. Like we always do it, I count after 7 on my fingers and stop at 10 and see how many fingers I counted. So let's start. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at your hand. How many fingers do you have? 3, exactly. So 3, we're going to write the answer here, 3. I helped you with the first one. Now I want you to do the second and the third one on your own, and I will give you a minute. You can stop the video now and do it, and after you finish, play the video again to check your answers. Now, after you finish, please check your answers. The first one we did together equals 3. The second one, we're going to do 3 minus 2, it's going to equal 1. The third one, 3 minus 1 equals 2. If you have any mistakes, please check it and do it over again. And now let's go to the next page. Page 46. The title for this page, Using a Budget. Part 1, which means that you're going to have another part. Using a budget. What's the meaning of a budget? The budget is the amount of money I have and I want to spend in any store where I need to buy some stuff. I have a shopping list and I need to buy some stuff from the supermarket. But I have a budget, which means amount of money that I cannot spend more than this budget. Let's say I have a budget of 100 pounds. I cannot buy anything more than this 100. I can buy less, but not more, because this is my budget. Here, we're gonna imagine that we're going to school again soon, and we need to buy some supplies for the school. So let's read what we're gonna do here first. Look at the pictures. Look at the price for each. What can you buy for 10 pounds? So our budget here is 10 pounds. What can we buy from this list that we have here? All these items have only 10 pounds. So think, what can I buy that will equal only 10 pounds? And we can do it in many ways. So we're gonna try 3 ways with 3 different supplies. Let's try the first way. How I do it? I use the math I learned. I add or subtract. It's very easy to do. Remember the number bonds we used to do in the math journal? It's something like this. Remember the number bonds with the three circles, and we have the number we want. Now here we want 10, and then we find 2 numbers that if we add them together will equal 10. So let's start with any number. Remember, we choose any number less than 10, and everything here is less than 10. Someone said yes. Someone said here is a pencil box with 9 pounds. That's right. Here, this pencil box has many things inside it. But let's see how much money left from the 10 pounds if I buy this pencil box. How do I know it? I do subtraction. I have 10 pounds and I buy a pencil box with 9 pounds. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. Exactly. 10 minus 9 equals 1. So I still have 1 pound. Can I buy anything else with this 1 pound? Yes, I can buy 1 more pencil. So I can buy pencil box and 1 pencil. This is the first way. Let's see another one. And remember please that after we finish this, we're gonna draw everything we choose in page 47. This is the first way. The second way, this is another way. I choose here the colorful paper. It's for 5 pounds. How much more I need, or how much money left from the 10 pounds if I buy the colorful paper? I will do it. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So I need to buy something with 5 pounds. And I have here crayons for 2 and paint for 3 pounds. And we all know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's right. This is the second way. We're gonna draw on page 47. Can you guess another way? We have 10 pounds. I give you time to think about it. Give you a few seconds to think. I hear someone saying, let's buy some clay. Maybe we buy some clay. Maybe we buy glue and eraser and paint and crayons. We have many different ways to do it. This is another way. We can buy glue and eraser. 3 and 2 equals 5. Crayons and paints, also 3 plus 2 equals 5. And again 5 plus 5 equals 10. The math is here. You can do another way. You can choose something else. You don't have to do the same exactly like I did now. I'm just showing you how to do it. If you want to choose clay, feel free. You can choose clay and see how much money left from the 10. So we're gonna see 10 minus 6 equals 4. So I need to buy something with 4 pounds. Let's see what's here with 4 pounds. Many things. I can buy the paint with 3 and 1 pencil with 1 pound. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I can buy the clay, the paint and 1 pencil. Or think of another way. You can do exactly this, or you can think on your own and do the math. You have the subtraction, you know how to subtract and how to add, and you can do it. And after you finish all this and choose the 3 ways you can buy stuff for 10 pounds, you're gonna go to page 47 and draw it. Here it says use the pictures from the previous page, which is page 46. What can you buy for 10 pounds? Make as many ways as you can to spend 10 pounds. So the ways you choose, we're gonna draw it here. Here's the first one. You can buy what you can draw what you want, the things that you're gonna buy, and at the end write equal 10. And here the second way, and here the third way. Like this will be done. Now let's go to the next page. This is page 48. Let's read the title. Which notes? Which notes? Remember when we talked about the money before? We said that we have coins and we have bank notes. Bank notes. Bank notes is the money that's paper. Let's read. Look at the price for each good. Draw the pound notes you can use in the boxes next to each good. So we're gonna go back to page 46 and see the price for each one here. So the first one here is glue. You go back to page 46 and see how much is the glue. I think the glue was for 3 pounds. So we're gonna draw the coins or the banknotes for 3 pounds. Remember the money? We used to do it in the math journal. How we can draw 3 pounds? I heard someone saying 3 coins. That's right. Can we draw notes? Yes, exactly. We can draw 3 notes. So we can make it in coins or we can make it in notes, because we have 1 pound in notes and 1 pound in coins. And do the rest exactly the same way. See which one. Here the crayons, how much was it, and draw the nose. And the clay, and draw it. And here you have a pencil box and the pencil. Now let's check the answers. First one here, the glue is for 3 pounds. So we're gonna draw, like we said, 3 coins or 3 banknotes. The clay, 2 pounds, so 2 coins or 2 banknotes. The clay was for 6, so think about ways how to make the 6. We can draw 5 pounds and 1 coin, or we can draw 6 coins or 6 pounds with 1 pound banknote. The easiest way is 5 and 1. Here the pencil box was for 9 and the pencil for 1. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. It's the first way we draw in 47. The easiest way for 10, 5 and 5. 5 pounds and 5 pounds. You can draw 5 pounds and 5 coins. You can draw all the 10 coins. Choose the way you like. And now let's go to the next one. This is the last page for this week, page 49. Let's read. It says Market Day. Think about what you have learned. Answer the questions. Color in the number of stars that show how well you and your team work together. In this page, we're going to think about everything we learned in this chapter, about the markets and going to the markets. But here, we're going to imagine that we are going to make our own market. If you have your own market, you're going to have your own business. Think about something that you want to sell. You can make and sell. And then, after you think about it, choose one thing that you can sell in your market, and you're gonna write it here. Number 1, it says, what did you sell in your business? What did you sell in your business? Choose anything you like and write it here. Number 2, did you sell a want or a need? So we're gonna think about whatever I write here. Is it a want or a need? And I write here, want or need. Number 3, count the money your team earned. How much money did you earn? Your team, if you have this business or market with a friend or with a group of your friends, so think, how much money did you earn from selling your stuff in the market? Number 4, my team and I shared the work of preparing for market day. We all did our part. So here you're gonna give yourselves stars. See how many stars you earned about your market. If it was really good, so you can color the 5 stars. Now let's see. This is how I did it. You don't have to do it the same way, but I'm just giving you an example of how to do it. Number 1 here, what did you sell? I chose bread. I want to sell bread. Make and sell bread. Because we learned how to make bread. Remember? Number 2, did you sell a want or a need? Bread is food, so of course it's a need. Number 3, count the money your team earned. I will say that I earned £100. Now it's your turn. Think about what you want to sell in your market and write the answers you want. And thank you very much for listening, and I really miss you. Stay safe and stay home. Goodbye.